Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Story. Learn English through simple stories. In this video, Amy will take you on a tour of her kitchen. You will learn some useful words, phrases, and expressions that are commonly used in the kitchen. The story will also help you practice and improve your English vocabulary, listening skills, and speaking skills. Listen to the story carefully.
Hello, my name is Amy, and today I want to take you into my kitchen, a place that feels warm, bright, and full of energy. Many people say the kitchen is the heart of the home, and for me, that is completely true. It is the space where I begin my mornings, prepare meals for my family, and create small moments of comfort that make our days feel easier and happier. I spend a lot of time here, so every corner of this kitchen has a special meaning to me. Every morning starts with a simple routine. I open the curtains to let the light in, and then I switch on the kettle. My husband likes to drink tea before going to work, and I enjoy watching the steam rise as the water begins to boil. While the kettle does its job, I place 2 slices of bread in the toaster. The smell of warm toast always makes the room feel cozy, even on busy days when we have only a few minutes to sit together. This little morning moment helps us begin the day with calm minds. After breakfast, I clean the countertop carefully. My countertop is quite wide, which gives me plenty of space for food preparation. I like keeping it clear because I often use it throughout the day, especially when I try new recipes. The smooth surface makes chopping vegetables easy, and it is where I lay out ingredients when I want everything organized before cooking. I believe that a clean and tidy kitchen helps me stay focused and positive. One of my favorite parts of the kitchen is the stove. It is where many of my meals truly come to life. Sometimes I boil soup, sometimes I steam vegetables, and sometimes I fry meat or eggs for lunch. Each method brings its own flavor, and changing the way I cook helps me keep meals interesting for my family. Right next to the stove is the oven, which I use almost every weekend. I enjoy baking because it feels both relaxing and creative. The oven helps me make cakes, cookies, and small pastries that my daughter loves to share with her friends at school. Another tool I rely on is the microwave oven. It is perfect for reheating food when my family members eat at different times. On some evenings, my husband arrives home late, and instead of cooking again, I simply warm his meal in the microwave. It saves me time and keeps the food tasting fresh. I think every busy household needs a microwave because it makes daily life more convenient. A kitchen cannot work well without a sink, and mine is deep and strong. I wash fruits, vegetables, and kitchen tools there. After cooking, the sink usually fills up quickly with plates and bowls. That is when the dishwasher becomes helpful. I used to wash everything by hand, but now the dishwasher saves me a lot of effort, especially after large meals. It is one of the appliances I appreciate the most because it gives me more time to rest or spend with my family. To keep food safe and fresh, I rely on the refrigerator. It stores vegetables, drinks, meat, and all kinds of ingredients. I organize everything by shelf so that I can find what I need quickly. The fridge also helps keep fruits crisp and ready to eat. My daughter likes apples and grapes, so I always make sure we have enough for her snacks. When I cook, I always wear an apron. It might seem like a simple piece of cloth, but for me, it is an important part of the cooking experience. The apron protects my clothes from oil, sauces, and spills. More than that, putting on my apron makes me feel prepared, like I am entering a space where I can create something meaningful for the people I love. It is my small symbol of care and responsibility. Sometimes, during quiet afternoons, I experiment with different dishes. I try new spices, mix flavors, or follow recipes I find in books. Not every dish turns out perfect, but I enjoy the process. Cooking helps me express myself, and it gives me a sense of achievement, especially when my family enjoys what I make. My kitchen becomes a place of learning, creativity, and patience. Evenings are usually more peaceful. After dinner, I wipe the countertop again and store leftovers in containers. I check the refrigerator, wash any large pans, and let the dishwasher handle the rest. When the kitchen is clean, I feel a sense of order that prepares me for the next day. A clean kitchen helps me sleep better because I know I will wake up to a fresh space where I can begin the morning with a calm heart. My kitchen is not perfect or luxurious, but it is full of life, memories, and care. It is the space where my family gathers, talks, laughs, and enjoys meals together. Every appliance, every tool, and every routine plays a part in making our days smooth and meaningful. For me, the kitchen is more than a room. It is a place where love becomes visible through simple daily actions.
Let's learn some interesting vocabulary from the story. Fun. Switch something on or off. Phrasal verb. To turn a light, machine, etc. on or off by pressing a button or switch. Examples: she switched on the kettle. Please switch off the light. I switch on the stove to cook. 2. Kettle, noun. A container with a lid, a handle, and a spout used for boiling water. Examples: the kettle is boiling. She uses a kettle to make tea. I fill the kettle with water. 3. Steam, noun. The hot gas that is produced when water boils. Examples: I see steam from the kettle. The steam feels warm. Steam comes from the hot pot. 4. Toaster, noun. An electric machine for making toast. Examples: I put bread in the toaster. The toaster makes my breakfast fast. The toaster gets hot quickly. 5. Countertop or counter, noun. A flat surface in a kitchen for preparing food on. Examples: she cleaned the countertop. I cut vegetables on the countertop. The countertop is wide and strong. 6. Chop, verb. To cut something into pieces with a sharp tool such as a knife. Examples: I chop onions for dinner. She chops carrots on the board. He chops food very fast. 7. Stove, noun. A piece of equipment for cooking food. Examples: she cooks soup on the stove. The stove gets hot. Please turn off the stove. 8. Boil, verb. To cook something in boiling water. To be cooked in boiling water. Examples: a boiled egg. She puts some potatoes on to boil. She boils eggs for breakfast. 9. Steam, verb. To cook food using steam. Examples: she steams vegetables for dinner. I steam fish to make it soft. Steamed vegetables. 10. Fry, verb. To cook something in hot fat or oil. To be cooked in hot fat or oil. Examples: I fry eggs in the pan. She fries meat for lunch, fried chicken. 11. Oven, noun. A piece of equipment that is like a box with a door on the front in which food is cooked or heated. Examples: she puts the cake in the oven. The oven is very hot. He uses the oven to bake bread. 12. Baking, noun. The activity of cooking food like bread or cake in an oven. Examples: baking makes her happy. She enjoys baking on weekends. Baking fills the kitchen with a nice smell. 13. Microwave oven or microwave. Noun. A type of oven that cooks or heats food very quickly using waves of energy instead of heat. Examples: I warm my food in the microwave. The microwave is easy to use. She uses the microwave at night. 14. Reheat, verb. To heat cooked food again. Examples: I reheat soup for my husband. She reheats rice in the microwave. He reheats his meal before eating. 15. Sink, noun. A large open container that has taps to supply water and that you use for washing dishes or your hands, etc. Examples: she washes dishes in the sink. The sink is full of plates. I clean fruit in the sink. 16. Dishwasher, noun. A machine that washes dishes. Examples: the dishwasher is very helpful. She puts dirty plates in the dishwasher. The dishwasher saves time. 17. Appliance, noun. A piece of equipment that is used in the home, such as a cooker or washing machine. Examples: the fridge is an important appliance. She bought a new kitchen appliance. The toaster is a small appliance. 18. Refrigerator or fridge, noun. A piece of equipment in which food is kept cold so that it stays fresh. Examples: she puts fruit in the fridge. The fridge keeps juice cold. He opens the fridge for milk. 19. Crisp, adjective. Fresh and hard. Examples: the apples are crisp. I like crisp vegetables. Her fridge keeps food crisp. 20. Apron, noun. A piece of clothing that covers the front part of your clothes and is tied around your waist, worn to keep your clothes clean, especially while cooking. Examples: she wears an apron in the kitchen. Her apron stops oil from hitting her clothes. I need a new apron. 21. Spill, noun. An act of letting a liquid come or fall out of a container. The amount of liquid that comes or falls out. Examples: there's a spill on the floor. She cleans the milk spill. The spill made her apron dirty. 22. Turn out, phrasal verb. To happen in a particular way or to have a particular result, especially an unexpected one. Examples: the cake turned out good. Her new dish turned out sweet. The plan turned out fine. 23. Wipe, verb. To rub a surface with something in order to remove dirt or liquid. Examples: she wipes the countertop. I wipe the table after dinner. He wipes his hands with a towel. 24. Leftovers, noun. Food that has not been eaten at the end of a meal. Examples: she keeps leftovers in the fridge. We eat leftovers for lunch. The leftovers still taste good. 25. Luxurious, adjective. Very expensive and comfortable. Examples: her kitchen is not luxurious. A luxurious house costs a lot. He stayed in a luxurious hotel. 26. Visible, adjective. Able to be seen. Examples: the stars are visible in the night sky. The steam is visible in the air. Her smile is visible from far away. Our video is over. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe if you really want our channel to grow faster. Thank you so much for listening and watching. We'll see you again in the next video.